Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the new video. So today I gave the SBI CLERK prelims level mock. So in that my scores are like I attempted 76 questions. So in that 67 were right and I made 9 questions wrong. So okay, my score is 64.75. So in each section, in English I attempted 25 questions and I got 24 right and my marks were 23.75. And in quants I attempted 25 questions, in that 23 were right and I got 22.50. And in logical reasoning I attempted 26 questions and I made 6 wrong, so I got 18.50 marks. So overall we can see like my percentage is in English, okay, it is above 90%, and quants, okay, it's 59. And logical reasoning, so in this section I would have attempted more questions, but that's okay. And my overall my percentage is around 75 to 77. So usually my percentage is coming in like 70s something. So let's see where I made mistake. Okay, so okay, here I made mistake in the English RC. Okay, then RC, it's 17th question. Okay, I made only one question wrong in English, and in numerical ability, okay, I made a silly mistake in maybe quadratic equation, and here also I made mistake. I need to check out where I made mistake here. And then the questions which I unattempted were, okay, all are arithmetic questions. Then in the reasoning section, okay, I made miscellaneous questions wrong. Okay, I would have read the question properly. Okay, it was okay. So this is a puzzle, and here also I made a mistake in 21st question. Okay, direction sense. So here in this question, like I don't know, I think I made mistake while writing the diagram properly, so that's why I was not getting the answer which was in the option. So okay, so overall I got 64.75 marks. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and also tell me when will be the live mock is available in different platforms, so that I will also attempt and we will share the scores. And thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.